Puntahan natin si Yael, guys. Nag-absent siya today. Hindi ko alam bakit. Yael, open up! Why did you close the door? Where are you? Why are you absent today?
Close it.
Why? Okay, I'm going to close it. Why are you closing your door? Who's coming in? Si Tara? Tapos, ang ginagawa ni Tara? Saan siya pumupunta?
Kakunin siya fish. And now,
Bakit may fish kayo?
good.
Show me your fish. Where is your fish? Saan? Wala na fish. Naubos ni Tara. Naubos ni Tara ang fish? Ah, you have a visitor. That's Anika. Wala kayo nagpasok today? Bakit? Bakit hindi kayo pumasok today?
Nag-ulan.
Ikaw, Yael, bakit? Kasi?
Ka-distract ako sa TV.
Na-distract ka ng TV? Oh, that is so bad. We have to turn off the TV. How about Anika? Kasi nag-ulan. Si Yael na-distract ng TV. That is not good. So good, Yael, okay? I have to teach you now how to read. Saan? Oh, tuwang-tuwa siya. Nakikita niya sa TV yung kanyang mukha. Where's your Coco Crunch? Nag-try ka na? Na-open na ba yon?
Opo.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Did you put milk in it?
Yes, sir.
Wow, oh wow, there's Yael.